Yes, a pop-up drink stand should use reusable pitchers instead of single-use containers because they save money over time, cut down on trash, and actually make your drinks taste better since glass and stainless steel do not leach flavors the way cheap plastic can. Think of it like this. Every time you buy a box of throwaway cups or plastic jugs, you are basically paying for trash that gets used one time and then tossed in a landfill forever. Reusable pitchers cost more upfront, but you use them over and over, so the price per use gets tiny really fast. Here is something most people do not know. Plastic pitchers can absorb smells and flavors from citrus, mint, or vinegar-based drinks. So after a few uses, your lemonade might start tasting a little like yesterday's hibiscus tea. Stainless steel and glass pitchers do not hold on to those flavors, so your drinks stay clean and fresh tasting every single time. Another cool trick is that stainless steel pitchers keep drinks colder for longer because the metal chills fast and holds that temperature, which matters a ton when you're standing outside in the heat all day. If you want your pop-up stand to look more professional and trustworthy too, customers genuinely notice and appreciate seeing real pitchers instead of flimsy plastic jugs. One mistake a lot of new stand owners make is not having enough backup pitchers, so they end up scrambling to wash one in the middle of a rush, and the fix is simple. Just keep 2 or 3 extra clean ones ready to swap in instantly. Another common issue is using pitchers that are too heavy or too large for one person to pour comfortably, so look for a size around 1 to 2 gallons that is easy to lift and pour with one hand. Lastly, people forget that reusable pitchers need a real cleaning routine, not just a quick rinse, so wash them with hot soapy water between every single batch to keep bacteria and old flavors from building up. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.